Now this one trick will make you look like a pro photographer. Hey, what's up everybody? My name is Jonathan and welcome to my channel. In this video, I wanted to share a tip with you guys on something that was extremely useful to me when I just started photographing weddings and events. I've noticed a lot of new photographers struggling with this. So what I wanted to do was to share this trick, because I'm just a really good guy. And all that I ask is that you hit that like button and hit it so hard that you might need to replace it after this video. Thanks for that. I'm sure it'll be alright. Let's get into the video. So what is the difference between getting all of the shots that you need versus not getting any of the pictures that you want to get? Does it mean that you have to be a professional photographer to do that? No, you don't have to be, and here's why. I wanted to share this tip with you all because it's something that really helped me out when all of this was pretty new to me. And by that, I mean this. You're at an event, maybe corporate, wedding, or any kind of event that requires professional photos. In those early stages, as a photographer, you're building your portfolio. So every photo shoot counts. And you want to make the most out of it because you're banking on getting the best photos from that photo shoot to pitch it to your next client. So you want to be prepared, right? So this is a problem that I had. I researched the photos that I wanted to use for inspiration to maybe try to recreate it in my own way. Some of the shots I tried to remember and some I stored on my phone. The plan was to casually check it while at the event when I was running out of ideas or to make sure that I was getting those shots. Now when I was actually at the events, not only was a lot happening at the same time for a newbie photographer like myself, with trying to get the best compositions, figuring out how to light the scenes, getting the most suitable settings in the camera, while managing the guests and not missing the right shots in the moment. And of course, trying to look like I really knew exactly what I was doing. Now I had to pull out my phone and really depending on it, hoping that it didn't freeze or that the battery died. But the main thing is that I really felt that it looked kind of amateur and a bit unprofessional. So one day I was reviewing photos on the camera before a wedding, trying to free up some storage space. We know how that goes. I was really pleased with one of the shots, and this wedding was going to be at a similar outdoor venue. So I decided to keep that photo right here on the memory card in the camera. So I can just scroll back to it when it's time for that shot, and nobody'd even know what I was doing. They'd probably think I had just come up with that awesome shot right there in the spur of the moment, right? And that's when I thought, wait a minute, why don't I just put all of the photos that I wanted to recreate right here, so I don't even have to pull out my phone, and it will make me look like a pro photographer. And it kind of did. But more important than that, it made things much easier for me on the day and less to worry about. So I could actually focus on the photography and getting the best shots and providing the best experience possible to the client. With the aim, of course, that I can get more clients or business coming out of that event. Now, how about you try this at your next event? Trust me, it's going to make things way easier for you in your own process and the perception of you as a photographer. I really do think that this one trick will make you look like a pro photographer. And it's really simple to do. All you have to do is hook your camera up to the computer and the photos that you found online for inspiration, just upload it to the camera so that you always have it on the camera itself when you really need it for inspiration. Now, if you liked this video, well, don't forget to actually like it. But you're going to want to watch this video next, where we'll talk about how you could start a photography business without experience. I'll see you over there.